Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and scroll down to the system settings. Here you'll see the screen recording section, tap here once and scroll down, tap here to definition, and we can switch the quality from medium to low, or also we can set here the custom. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can open the screen recorder quality settings. Just open the notification panel, and here on the top bar find the screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon. You will launch after that the same screen recording settings, and by the same way just we can switch the quality of video recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.